Well, hello again, YouTube. Today we're going to talk about screen protectors for the Pixel Watch and what I've tried and what I'm about to try, and why you might or why you should start thinking about it too. Now, from what I read, is the Pixel Watch to replace the screen is I haven't actually built it in a way which makes the glass a consumable product and easy to replace. It seems like trying to take that off, actually you got to muck around with the battery as well. And reports on Reddit, people have said that when they've tried to replace a broken screen from an accident that happened on day one, which is so sad to hear, and people told you basically you've got to get a new one. So I started looking at what I can do to protect this baby, and one thing that I got was, because of the curved screen, you can't get a tempered glass one. It has to be a film, and it's like a gel film. And I went and got this instead, and this came with a pack 3, and I paid extra for it to get it quicker, which was unfortunate because this pack of 3 I've already used 2 pieces and they've sort of peeled off. Now maybe I didn't follow the instructions properly. There's a piece in there where after you apply it, you're supposed to hold it down for 3 minutes, and I think I did it for 3 minutes, but then again I wasn't really timing it, and started peeling off the edge. It's very hard to align and get center, and the unfortunate thing as well is that in the video they've got this, you can scan this QR barcode here and it'll give you an instructional video how to do it. It doesn't even show the Pixel Watch in the video, it shows the an Apple Watch, I think it is. And yeah, they had in the packet this circle and you can place it down, keep it steady. There was none of that for this one. It just came with the 3 films, a squeegee, a cloth, some stickers, but then they had the alcohol wipes, which there was only 1 alcohol wipe, even though there's 3 films in there, which is a bit tight. But anyway, so I thought, what else can I do? Because I'm about to go camping soon, and my watches do tend to get bumped around, and this just came in today. So we've got a guard, and unfortunately, a new set of protectors. So you can either get this on its own, a guard, a plastic guard, or you can opt to get more protectors. And I said, oh, let me get more. Hopefully it's a different brand, and I'll need more because I'm down to my last one. And yeah, it's the same thing. So I thought this might be better having it as a combo, because if the edges are being peeled with this on, it's not going to be so much of a problem because you should hold it down. So I guess we'll try this out. I won't try putting the screen on, the shield on, but I'll show you what's inside it anyway. So here we go. Out you get. And what's this? Another one. Okay. So you get in this pack that came with 2. Then we've got the squeegee, and then there's another sort of patch installation cleaning kit. And over here you get some stickers to take the dust off and the cleaning cloth. Okay, and the way that you apply this, just as a quick summary, it goes in multiple steps. You peel it off, you slap it on, you then take a half out and the other half out, you squeegee it over, and then once that's done, finally you use this tab and you peel the top layer off and you're done. So that's it for the screen protector. Let's get on to this bad boy. Now I do have something else on order which might be better than this. It looks a lot more sleek, and on top of it there's also tempered glass. So if you want to have a look at a review when that comes in, which should be around December, yeah, just subscribe and then you'll see me reviewing that too. Just needs to make its way to China, from China. Another couple things that I've ordered as well, which I will put on this channel, so again, subscribe if you want to see it, is testing out Some of those cheap Chinese watch bands. So they've got, I've got an order a brown leather one, which has lugs, which I'm hoping with a standard watch tool, I can take the strap off, leave the lugs, and then use my own band if I want. And also a black metal band as well, which I want to try out. I'm not expecting the quality would be crash hot, but yes, it'll just if it works well, then I'm not losing a lot of money. Unfortunately, there's not much options at the moment in the market apart from the Pixel branded stuff, and it's highly expensive. I'm very surprised at the price. For my Fossil watch, I had a Fossil branded metal band. From memory, it was about $80, while the Pixel ones in the hundreds. And they're leather bands. The Pixel ones are about give or take $120, which I probably won't use every day either. I prefer the metal ones, so it's pretty sad. The good thing about the Pixel branded leather bands that people have put online is that it has some pretty cool fancy lugs, and using the watch tool you can take those pins out and still put your own band on the. But again, I'm not spending $120 to then take a Pixel leather band off for something else. It's I might as well keep it on and wear it every day. So anywho, stay tuned if you want to see those videos in the future. So now to take a look at this, it's smooth, sort of a matte plastic. It's got holes everywhere, fitting the crown, mics and speakers and what have you. And the way this works, it snaps on. It also has a protruding button to make it easier to press the tiny button here that's hidden in the back. So to install it, it looks fairly simple. Slide in the crown first and snap it on. I have seen other ones on the market out there. There's even one that comes with a dual pack. There's a clear version and a black version. I think the clear just looks horrible. Do I like this one, the black one? Well, I do prefer if it's off. But then again, if I know that I'm gonna be bumping this around, then it will be safer to put this on. It may look better when I get my other bands, so I'll try and compare that when I get them, with and without the this protector. So I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of this. This is with it on and off. Well, there you have it. That's all for today. Like, subscribe. It will really help with this channel. And until then, we'll see you next time.